$40,000 library makeover.
Woohoo!
It's not an April Fool's joke. Yes.
Yeah, $40,000 worth of furniture.
We wanted to make over a media center and help these students because learning is our passion. We know that the pedagogy of learning has changed. We know that teachers don't necessarily teach in rows, students don't learn in rows. So whether it's a media center or a classroom, we know that having collaborative functional furniture like this is going to help them get to where they need to be when it comes to learning.
First and foremost, it makes our media center flexible, which is great. It allows us to do even more, right, than the staple of things that we've been able to do, like clubs and events and meetings. When you have flexible furniture, one, kids want to be a part of the things that are happening in here, and two, it becomes a space that more people, really in general, even the community, want to come in and use. So it means a lot.
Okay, so these chairs, so you can lean back in them, and they didn't have these chairs before, and it's very different. And now, like, I feel like I'm ready to go back to school because the school looks better.
The Media Center is definitely, it is a lot more than books. Books are definitely the staple of it, but the Media Center is also like the staple of our school. So it's not only where reading and literacy happens, but it's also where clubs happen, and events happen, and meetings happen, and the community happens in our media center. So it's a center part of our school community and really the Conway community.